Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And when you see all this goodness on the counter, you know, say welcome back to the healthier side of things. And we're gonna make some strong back peanut porridge, alright? So to start off, guys, you can use this peanut with the skin on it, or you can use this one. They are all raw without the skin, okay? I always use this one, and I will use this one, but today I'm gonna try this one, the one without the skin. Some people use flour. You want a binding agent in it. So next video I'll make plantain and peanut porridge. Instead of adding the flour, you need about maybe a quarter cup of flour to bind it together. I'm going to use half cup of oats, okay? And we're going to blend everything. You need to blend this out. If you have oats flour, good to go. I have about 4 cups of water. All right, I'm going to turn my stove on. And I'm going to let this come to a boil, okay? To this, I'm going to add, this is about 1/3 of coconut milk or cream. You can add half cup if you want. This is about actually 1/3 to half cup. In between, you can put either or, okay? And I'm going to throw 1 cinnamon stick in there. If you have cinnamon leaf from Jamaica, go ahead and do that. I'm going to put about a pinch of salt. Just a pinch. Put it to your liking. I'm going to put about quarter to half teaspoon. I would say half teaspoon is good. I'm going to put about half teaspoon almond extract. 1 teaspoon vanilla. I have half cup of oats. And I'm going to measure out 2 cups of peanut. One. We're going to do 2 cups. And my peeps, this peanut is the unsalted peanut, okay? No salt. And it's the raw one, okay? You have to use the raw one to get the flavor out of it. So 2 cups of peanut to half cup of oats, or you can put quarter cup flour. I changed my blender. I was gonna use the small one, but I don't think the small one can hold all of it. So here goes. Ooh. There. All right, my peeps, now I'm gonna pour some water in it. I'm gonna put 2 cups of water. Blend it until it becomes really creamy, okay guys? That's what we want. So I'm adding some more water there, okay? You can add about 2.5 to 3 cups of water just to blend it. When you have it so creamy, wow, this is really good. All right, we're gonna hold it over here now, guys, and you want to mix, pour and mix, okay? Because you don't want it to be lumpy. So pour and mix. And you want to watch it like hawk now, guys. Do not leave it, else it's gonna be lump up or clump up, okay? Make sure you pour and mix. And over here, guys, I'm gonna add about another cup of water or so, or half, and I'm gonna wash it out. You see how creamy it is? Rich and creamy, guys. So you don't want to leave it. You want to continue to mix it until it's gonna get thick up, okay? So just continue to mix it. Yeah, start to boil. Yeah. And guys, you can make it to your liking, all right? If you like it thick, you can put less water, okay? And if you like it like me, I like it in between. And when it boils down, this is good, okay? Yes, you see it start get thick up, guys? Oh yeah. Turn on my stove now and let it simmer down. Look at this, guys. This is how I want mine. Rich, very nutritious. Ooh, lots of protein. Lots of fiber with the oats. Super healthy. You want to let the peanut cook a little bit, all right? In total, you want to let it cook for about good half an hour to 45 minutes, okay? Just let it simmer and cook down, okay? And then I'm gonna come back. No, wait, before I go, guys, let's add some nutmeg. Can't forget the nutmeg, okay? I'm gonna put about a teaspoon. You can put about half if you want, but I love nutmeg in mine. Yeah, you see the color already, guys? And just stir that. Oh, it smells so good here. Ooh. Put a little bit more for the road. All right, this is for the road, guys. Woo, yes. That's about a teaspoon. And you want to turn down your stove now, okay, guys? So I'm going to turn mine down low. Well, go 2.8 and let it take time simmer down. I want to make it vegan and vegetarian friendly today. So you see, you add the coconut milk. All you need now is just some granulated sugar, okay? 5 more minutes. I'm going to come back and sweeten it, and that's it. And as I said, if you want it thicker, add a little bit more oats, but this is how I like mine, in between. All right, my peeps, I'm back, and I think this is it. It's all done. We're gonna turn the stove off. Yeah, I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, and I'm gonna sweeten it to taste. I'm gonna put half first because I don't want it too sweet, okay, guys? But if you want it sweet, add to your liking, all right? So some people are diabetic, some people are on the healthier side and they don't want to add too much sugar, then don't add too much sugar. So I'm going into half cup first, and I'm going to taste it. And if you want more, and porridge gonna take a little bit more sugar, okay, guys? So you have to watch it. So either you got a plan to drink it sweet or drink it fresh, okay? Let me taste it. Guys, I'm gonna put a little bit more, so I'm gonna put 3/4 cup. I'm gonna leave quarter. I'm not gonna put the whole of it, guys, because too much sugar not good for you, okay? But if you want it sweet, you can go ahead and add a cup or maybe a little bit more, okay? This is just right by me. I'm gonna have a big bowl right now, guys, a big bowl. This is my strong back peanut porridge, okay? Next video, I'll make peanut and plantain porridge, or peanut and banana, whichever my hand come across. Or you can mix them too. I have a fancy bowl here. Ooh, so pretty. And we're gonna come over here. Look at that, guys. Ooh, let me put it closer. Oh yeah. Jamaican people always broke up some bread in the, guys. Yeah. I do one more. Okay. That's good. It's been served, and I have a little bit of cinnamon, and I'm gonna pour a little bit on top just for garnishing, just in the middle, just a little bit. And that's it, my peeps. You see how easy? And more over there. Yeah. It's healthier to add the oats more than the flour, okay, guys? But you can add like 1/4 cup of flour or 2 tablespoons just to like thicken it up a little bit, let it come together, and the oats is just right. All right, my peeps, can you see the goodness? You see how thick it get on nice? Really strong back. So I'm gonna taste it for you guys, but I'm gonna put like a little bit of bread, break up the bread, okay, guys? Something like so. All right, this is how Jamaican people do it. Cool it, you know. I want to burn you up hot. Oh dear. This is just right, guys. Not too much sugar. So, and as I said, you can maybe add another sweetener to it to your liking, or put less sugar, okay? That's it. Ooh. Oh my god, so good. So creamy and nice. And guys, a cup of this R2 is good. You know, I will drink off the whole pot one time. Let somebody else taste some of the goodness, alright? Alright guys, you have a good day. Bye guys.